So what's another really common problem that amateurs have? It's casting. We're going to talk about the diagnosis of the problem, and then we're going to talk about solutions of the problem. So first of all, let's set your wrist X to 30 degrees and on your trail hand. As we come back to the top, you're going to hear it click. What we don't want to have happen is hear it click on the way down early. You're casting, you're throwing the club out. That's what's happening. So if you're hearing this, that second click, you got a problem with casting. So what causes that problem and how to fix it? So generally speaking, that's going to be caused because your sequence is off. You are starting downswing, like I could tell you, I'm guilty of this. I just want to hit that ball. I want to hit it. So I go, and I apply this energy, and my shoulders start turning out of sequence, and it throws the club out. So the key to not casting is down the line a little bit. It starts with a very good weight shift, pressure shift to your lead side, your hips start, then your hands drop and your shoulders stay a little bit more closed, and then it won't cast. There's not that centrifugal force trying to force it to cast out. This is a great place to use an instructor. I highly recommend you use an instructor. Use it with the wrist X. It'll help them, it'll help you.